In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook not working. First, check your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue is related to your network. Next, completely close the Facebook app and reopen it. If Facebook is still not working, open the Play Store or App Store and make sure the Facebook app is updated to the latest version. You can also try clearing the app cache. Open your device settings, go to Apps, select Facebook, tap Storage, and then choose Clear Cache. After that, restart your phone and launch Facebook again. If the problem continues, check whether Facebook servers are down. Sometimes Facebook experiences outages that affect users worldwide. In that case, there's nothing you need to fix on your device, and you'll simply need to wait for Facebook to restore the service. You can also try logging out of your account and signing back in. As a final step, uninstall Facebook and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. And that's how to fix Facebook not working. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.